Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm reviewing the Granatelli part number 3025, 3035, 3075, which is the oval 3-inch exhaust cutout. So in the box what you get is obviously the cutout, which does have a stainless steel body and does have a stainless steel butterfly. It does come with the two gaskets that you'd mount front and rear. It comes with a mild steel block-off plate that's been painted silver, and it also comes with a 3-inch oval cutout that's also mild steel and has been painted silver. The welding on this isn't too good, but it's fine for most applications. And it also comes with the tube that you would connect to the existing 3-inch exhaust. Again, the thing that I don't like about this is that it is stainless steel tubing, but it has a steel flange on it. It also comes with the wiring harness that you would connect from the cutout. It's just basically a female version that you would connect straight to the cutout, and then you'd run this up and into the cab of your vehicle. And then this is the wiring harness, which comes complete with the toggle switch and also an inline fuse on the positive side, which I really like. Things that I'm changing up on this a little bit is that, as I mentioned, I don't like the fact that it's mild steel, so I did go ahead and buy a stainless steel block-off plate. All of the hardware that's on this is also stainless steel. The application that I'll be using this in is actually a big block Ford. So what I did was I came up with two options. This is a stainless steel flange. I don't know whether I'm going to go with the NASCAR option, which is where it comes out of the side and down before the front wheel, or whether I'm actually going to use the same type of cutout that they supply. Again, it's got a stainless steel flange and a drop down like that. This is ultimately going in a show car, so everything will be polished, which I'll show you in another video. And just to give you an idea of where this fits in the system, so this actually comes down from the X-pipe here, comes down the frame, and then goes to the cutout, which would mount here, and then it's coming back down here and then up over the axle and out the back through a muffler. For the money, it's pretty good. I'll leave the link down below. This is not sponsored by Granatelli. It's about 160 bucks. So for the price point, I bought two of these, obviously, because I've got dual exhausts running on this thing. And once this is all welded up and it's all put together again, I'll do another video and show you what it looks like. Thanks for coming back to the channel, and have a great day.